Lesson 4 to 8 of Cups. The Suit of Cups. 8 of Cups. The 8 of Cups is a card of walking away, emotional growth, self-discovery, and choosing a higher path. It represents the moment when you realize that something no longer fulfills your heart, even if it once brought happiness or security. Rather than settling for comfort or familiarity, the 8 of Cups encourages you to leave behind what no longer serves your highest good in search of deeper meaning and emotional fulfillment. This card is often misunderstood as one of loss. In reality, it is a card of courage and transformation. It reminds us that sometimes the greatest act of self-love is knowing when it is time to move on. Card symbology. Every symbol in the 8 of Cups tells part of its story. The 8 Cups. The neatly stacked cups represent achievements, relationships, experiences, or emotional investments. They are not broken or empty. They symbolize something that once had value, but no longer satisfies the soul. The Traveler. A lone figure walks away from the cups, representing someone choosing growth over comfort. This journey requires courage because the destination is unknown. The Mountain. The mountains in the distance symbolize challenges, spiritual growth, wisdom, and the higher purpose waiting beyond temporary comfort. The Moon. The moon represents intuition, hidden emotions, subconscious guidance, and trusting your inner voice even when the path ahead is uncertain. The Dark Path. The traveler walks into darkness, symbolizing faith. Not every step is visible, but personal transformation often begins before the destination becomes clear. Core meanings. The 8 of Cups commonly represents walking away from unhealthy relationships, leaving situations that no longer align with your values, emotional maturity, spiritual awakening, seeking purpose beyond material success, healing through letting go, personal transformation, choosing yourself, upright, meaning. When the 8 of Cups appears upright, it often asks, what have you outgrown? What are you holding on to simply because it's familiar? What is your heart asking you to release? This card encourages trusting your intuition and making difficult but necessary decisions. While leaving something behind may feel painful, it creates space for something far better. Reversed. Meaning. When reversed, the 8 of Cups may suggest fear of change, staying in unhealthy situations, avoiding emotional growth, returning to old patterns, difficulty letting go. The reversed card asks whether fear is preventing you from moving toward the life you truly deserve. Love and relationships. In love readings, the 8 of Cups often represents emotional distance or walking away from relationships that are no longer healthy or fulfilling. Sometimes it signifies choosing self-respect over attachment, ending toxic cycles, releasing unrequited love, healing after heartbreak, moving toward healthier relationships. It reminds us that true love begins with honoring ourselves first. Career and finances. Professionally, this card may indicate leaving an unfulfilling job, seeking a more meaningful career, pursuing a passion, personal growth through change, letting go of financial fears. It encourages aligning your work with your deeper purpose, rather than staying somewhere solely for security. Spiritual meaning. Spiritually, the 8 of Cups is one of the strongest cards of awakening. It teaches that external success cannot replace inner peace. Sometimes life asks us to leave behind familiar people, places, beliefs, or habits so we can rediscover who we truly are. The journey may feel lonely at first, but it ultimately leads us back to ourselves. Tips for interpreting the 8 of Cups. When reading this card, ask yourself, what emotional situation has run its course? What am I afraid to leave behind? Am I staying because of love or because of fear? What new chapter is waiting for me? What would choosing myself look like? The answers often reveal why this card has appeared. Reading techniques. In a relationship spread, the card may indicate emotional withdrawal, ending unhealthy dynamics, or choosing healing before love. In a career spread, it often points toward changing jobs, pursuing new opportunities, or finding work with greater purpose.
In a spiritual reading, the Eight of Cups signals inner transformation, awakening, and trusting your intuition even when the path is uncertain. Combined with other cards, the Star, walking away leads to healing and renewed hope. The Hermit, a period of self-discovery and inner wisdom. Death, major transformation and new beginnings. The Fool, taking a leap of faith into a new chapter. The Six of Swords, moving away from emotional difficulty toward calmer waters.
Key takeaways. The Eight of Cups teaches that letting go is sometimes the greatest act of self-love. Walking away is not giving up, it is choosing growth. Closure comes from within, not from another person. Your intuition knows when it is time to move forward. Every ending creates space for a new beginning. Music connection. To reinforce today's lesson, listen to Eight of Cups, Walk Away by Synthesized Souls. The song captures the emotional journey of releasing what no longer serves you, finding the strength to move forward, and trusting that every ending opens the door to a brighter beginning. The music video and song are part of this lesson. As you listen, reflect on the lyrics and notice how they mirror the symbolism and message of the Eight of Cups. Using music alongside tarot study is a powerful way to deepen your understanding and strengthen your intuition.